Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, straightforward way to integrate Shopify with your own website, without fuss and without needing to be an expert coder. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add a powerful Shopify buy button to your existing site, letting customers shop seamlessly and securely, all while keeping them on your page. If you're ready to boost your site's e-commerce in 2025, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about getting the buy button set up in Shopify. Inside your Shopify dashboard, there's a handy search feature. Take a moment to type in buy button. This is the official Shopify app we'll use, and it's designed to help you integrate Shopify shopping capabilities right into any web page. Hit install, and in just a few seconds, you'll have this app ready to go. Sometimes apps take a few moments to finish installing, so if things don't happen instantly, don't stress. Just let Shopify do its thing. Once the buy button app is installed, it's going to ask you what kind of buy button you want to create. Here, you'll have a couple of choices, but let's keep things straightforward and select the product buy button. This is perfect if you want a button for a specific product, rather than an entire cart or collection. Next, you'll need to select which product you're spotlighting. Take your time here and pick a product from your store that you really want to feature on your site. Maybe it's your bestseller, a new arrival, or something you'd like to highlight for a special campaign. Just click Next and you're well on your way. Now, here comes a really important part, customizing how the buy button looks and works. Shopify gives you a bunch of options so your button can match your website's style and feel. You can tweak the button's shape, color, the action that happens when someone clicks, like whether it adds the product to a cart, sends them to checkout, or something else. Take a moment to preview these changes. Think of this step kind of like picking out the perfect outfit. It's a way to make sure your buy button feels right at home on your website. You can also decide if you want to show a mini shopping cart pop-up when someone adds an item. And in advanced settings, fine-tune things even further. If you're ever unsure, start simple. And remember, you can always come back and adjust. Once you've got it dialed in and you're happy with the look and behavior, just click Next. Here's where Shopify does something really helpful. It generates a block of code for you. This is what you'll use to connect Shopify's shopping power with your website. It might look a bit intimidating if you're not used to seeing code, but don't worry. You don't need to understand every line. Just copy it using the handy copy button. Now, back to your website. All you have to do is find the spot where you want this button to appear. Most website builders, think WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or even custom HTML, have an option to add an embed element. It's usually called custom HTML, embed, or something similar. Paste in the code you copied from Shopify, save, and voila! Your product buy button is now live and ready for customers. That's all there is to it. By just taking these few steps, you've connected your Shopify store directly with your website, opening up a whole new world of e-commerce possibilities right from your own domain. If you ran into any bumps along the way, or if you have questions about customization, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. And subscribe for more practical, up-to-date tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.